Hey guys, Irish Street Reno week 192. I don't really do any renovating this week, but it rains a lot. I do a tiny bit in the wood shop, and I play my piano a lot. Tonight, we're getting a pretty decent rain, so I take a break from the renovation, crack open the front door to listen to the thunder, and play my piano. This afternoon, I'm wrapping this extra piece of poplar in some vinyl wrap that I got. The keyboard tray that I have at my computer desk in Brush at my parents' house busted out because it was made out of particle board, so I'm going to replace it with this piece of poplar, and I bought this sticky vinyl wrap that I hope will match my desk. Either way, it should work better than the particle board. Tonight, I'm playing my piano a little bit more. Some weeks, you just need a break from the renovation, and this week is one of those weeks. That's all for week 192. Thanks for tuning in, and join me next week for the 4th of July.